Lorex offers a very wide range of cameras in its IP PTZ lineup. The LNZ44P12 is a heavy-duty, high-quality, aircraft-grade aluminum pendant-style camera that can serve both residential and commercial purposes. It is designed to be mounted horizontally with the included sturdy arm-style mount for both indoor and outdoor applications. This mount is very heavy-duty and is also made of aircraft-grade aluminum. The 44P12 is fully weatherproof and is IP66 rated. It can operate in temperatures as low as an incredible -40 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera itself is a 4 megapixel sensor offering 2K resolution, double that of 1080p HD. The camera features a motorized camera housed in a black non-reflective shell. This is a PTZ camera, which means it can pan, tilt, and zoom. It can rotate or pan around a full 360 degrees. With no fixed end to the pan, the camera can rotate continuously if required. It has a tilt range from -15 to 90 degrees. The 44P12 has a powerful 12 times optical zoom, as well as a 16 times digital zoom to help focus in on even the finest of details. The camera can deliver a large horizontal field of view with the zoom function from 4.54 degrees to 54 degrees. This is a great range for a warehouse, parking lot, or residential driveway. The 44P12 utilizes PoE or Power over Ethernet, with the need for only one cable to supply power, video, and audio if available. The camera is ONVIF compliant, an international standard for IP network cameras. The LNZ44P12 uses HDR or high dynamic range technology. This ensures the system can capture the broadest range of visual details from dark to light. As well as HDR, this camera uses DNR, or digital noise reduction, to filter out noise created from low light settings. DNR not only reduces noise, but can also reduce the video file sizes on the storage device. The camera itself is supplied with 4 very heavy-duty screws and plastic anchors. The kit also includes a detailed instruction manual in several languages, featuring installation, operation, and safety instructions. A 24-hour surveillance window security sticker and a 100-foot Ethernet cable are also part of the kit. The cable has a unique locking mechanism which prevents the cables from accidentally detaching during installation. A black silicone gasket is included and is used to provide a seal between the camera mount and the mounting surface. A power adapter is also part of the kit. It supplies power to the camera when configuring the system with a router. Lorex supplies 3 Allen bolts, tipped with a blue locking coating on the thread. This keeps the bolts firmly in place when threaded into the camera mount. A set of 3 spring-loaded carabiners is also included. These are used to support the camera while it is being installed and can be left in place after installation, providing an additional level of safety, securing the camera to the mount. Soft mesh gloves are also included. These are ideal for handling the camera body and help keep fingerprints off the camera lens. The LNZ44P12 is a powerful, heavy-duty, high-quality, versatile pendant-style security camera. It will provide years of service for all your security needs.